when it comes to relations between China and European Union, of course there are some differences, but I would prefer to speak more about similarities, or if you want to say common interest. Common interest is mostly, I would say, and there is no argue about that, in the trade issue. So China and EU are both either first and main partner for export-import, or at the very top place, like among the three top export partners. So it means that despite all differences, we can speak about very good cooperation, like in trade. So I think that if we speak from that angle, we can say that cooperation is there, and cooperation could be even much more better.